So for as long as I can remember, Apple has simulated the shutter click sound when taking a photo on your iPhone or iPad. The main reason for this, of course, concerns people's privacy. And in many countries like Japan and South Korea, the shutter click sound is a legal requirement, which is why you won't find an easy option to disable the sound in your phone's or your iPad settings. However, there are times when you might want to take a quick selfie or even a screenshot without people thinking you're doing something dodgy. If you find yourself in this situation, you have three options. The first is simply to set the system volume to 0, either by using the buttons on the side of your phone or by adjusting the volume from the control panel. It's not ideal, as this method will silence absolutely everything coming from your phone, including anything you're watching or listening to at the same time. But it does guarantee that you can take your selfie or screenshot without anyone around you wondering if you're up to no good. A better option is to enable live photos. Live photos captures a few seconds of footage before and after your photo to create a short clip. When live photos are enabled, you won't hear the shutter click and you can take your photo silently. Tapping the icon will again disable live photos and reactivate the shutter sound. By default, live photos is always enabled when you open the camera app, which many people find annoying. If you would rather have it disabled by default, you can do so by turning it off in the camera app and then opening settings, scrolling to camera, clicking on the preserve settings and enabling this option here. Now this may seem a little bit counterintuitive, but by enabling this option you are forcing your phone to preserve your current camera settings, one of which is to have live photos disabled. The final way you can disable the shutter click is to simply flick the hardware switch on the side of your phone. Enabling this switch will not only silence the shutter clicks, but also any phone calls and alerts you receive. This is, however, often a better solution than setting the system volume to 0, as this hardware switch does not affect the volume of videos or music that you're listening to. So you can take your quick selfie while still listening to your favourite song in the background. So those are 3 easy ways to prevent the shutter click sound in the camera app and when taking a screenshot. If you found the video useful, I'd appreciate you giving me a like and hitting subscribe for lots more quick tips on all your Apple devices. And you might also be interested in learning about a security risk that is affecting all iPhones and iPads, or tips for using the Workout app on your Apple Watch. Until next time, my name is Anthony. Thank you very much for watching.